All right, I'm gonna get ready to chop a little bit here. Gonna go visit the guys at Voyages up in Kettle Falls and do a little potluck dinner with them tonight and see them off. They're gonna be leaving in the morning. We're gonna have dinner with them tonight anyway, and but they already finished their plank boat in record time. Unbelievable, but that's how they do things, and I'm wishing them luck. And but I gotta get something done on the canoe. I've got a window of opportunity here. It's not very good. You can tell these clouds are everywhere, and they're moving in from way down that way. Outside the kettle, you really can't see much from here. That's looking kind of northward, and that's not what's coming. That's what's past. So anyway, I'm losing my window of opportunity, and got to get chopping. And well, here we go. Just saw this fella here. I was just sitting right here. That was a close call. What kind of spider is that, you think? Probably a pissed off one right now. Looking at the stern here. Just found a spider in the tree, and I'm hoping he goes for some of the larvae too. So I'm going to leave him back there. He's back in the between the bow seat and the second seat there, and we'll leave him back there and concentrate on the stern today. I don't have a lot of time here, but I want to see what I got here. I'm going to take a better look at the stern, and I do have room in this third position to still make that the stern if I must. And so reassessing here the size of this canoe. It's not as wide as I'd hoped. We'll see.